battery test specific to this vehicle and able to check the cold cranking amps. And then we'll be able to do an emissions check, where we'll be able to check and see if there's any of those pesky DTCs that may cause that check engine light to illuminate. But here's the thing, that's a lot to do, but we're going to do it in less than 3 minutes. Well, it's Friday, I say we're going to do it, but actually, Aaron's going to do it. So we set a world record this morning for our Hunter booth. It was 1 minute and 54 seconds. So since it's Friday, we've been having a little competition between all our drivers, and I sent an invite out to the Stig. He decided he was going to show up. It's 1 minute 54, it's pretty tough to beat. So, what do you think? Can you do it? All right, so Rudy Mon crowd, let's see if we can get this going. Aaron, whenever you're ready, everybody follow along with the timer. Let's do it. So as Aaron drives on the brake plates, we're checking these side to side and the front to rear performance of our braking system of the vehicle. This is all based on state safety inspection specifications. If you look up at the screen, you can see down in the cockpit, Aaron is now taking our Hunter Code Link device and plugged it into our onboard computer. What he is doing there is he's pulling the VIN information, he's typing the odometer reading. He'll then look at the door placard and he'll find out exactly what the manufacturer wants to set for the pressures. That way he can automatically set the pressures. From there he exits the vehicle. He's going to grab our Hunter Quick Grip adapters. It's to be noted, these will be used for the alignment process, and there is no metal-to-metal contact, so no chance of damaging those high-performance wheels. He'll continue around the vehicle, and in his hand he has a small device. It's about the size of a cell phone. What that little device will allow him to do is check between 1 and 3 different tread depths. He's going to continue around hooking up his hoses, and it's to be noted, those quick grip adapters used for that alignment process, we can hook those up to a Fiat 500 all the way up to a Ford F-350. As he finishes, he's going to swing around to the back of the vehicle. He's then going to roll that vehicle 6 to 8 inches. Once he rolls that vehicle 6 to 8 inches, the camera is going to take a picture of the vehicle. It's going to create a nice little personalization for that world-class printout. Last but not least, it's to be noted, Aaron is not an ASE certified technician, so what we have done is eliminated any buttons. We've eliminated the interview process with our Midtronic battery analyzer, and that's going to make this process as simple as possible and specific to the VIN of this vehicle. At that point, he's completed the entire check. He now has to just store his components. All the information is being sent to the computer. It'll now send it electronically. We can send it to an iPad, a cell phone. We can even email it to the customer. We've got 1 minute 55, 1 minute 56, hanging up 58, 59. We've tied the record. Everybody give Aaron a hand. Ladies and gentlemen, there are gentlemen in blue shirts with Hunter logos. They'll be passing out some of the printouts. As you can see with this printout, we have the vehicle, we have the make, the model, we have the VIN, we have the odometer reading. The next portion of this, you'll see we have the stop check. This is where we actually did the braking portion. We can discuss with the customer the necessary need for a brake inspection. And then at that point, we can now show them the tire health. We can express to them that with their tire health, they were more than 60% of the tread of the tire, which is satisfactory for that customer. And some great news considering the wheel alignment failed. And with the wheel alignment failure, we can now express to the customer the importance of doing a 4-wheel alignment, so that way we can prolong those tires and prevent any premature tire wear. Then from there, we have our emissions check. And as you can see, we had no diagnostic trouble codes. What does that do for me? When I get in the vehicle, I know that pesky check engine light will not be illuminated. And last but not least, we've got the cold winter months coming. So what we do know is we have the health of the battery, and I have the peace of mind that battery is going to start every time. And that completes the Hunter Quick Check demonstration. Thank you.